Hi everybody, this is Sonia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a rack that I received, a bit of Stitchy kindness. I got this before Christmas, so I've had it for a little while, but with life and it being hectic around here and everything, I just did not get a chance to show you guys. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what I received from Eloise. Hi Eloise, thank you so much for the rack. Lots and lots of great things in here. First off, I want to tell you that the little elf and the little Santa that I have been working on and I showed in my latest floss tube video, those came from this rack. So yeah, cute little stockings that they are going to make when they're done. So that came from Eloise as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I received is DMC Wedding Celebration pattern. Very, very pretty pattern. And I am not good at its point de croix, and I know fleurs is flowers, but this is a magazine that just has flowers and like trees. Very pretty flowers in here. I really like this one right here. So that's the name. And I got a hardcover book. It's called Easy to Make Cross Stitch Keepsakes by Stella Edwards. This is really nice. Like there's this butterfly. Really pretty. Let me see if I can find another one. Here's like for cards. It's really pretty, pretty things. Sachets. And there's much, much more in there as well. And then I got a kit, DMC Best Friends. Trying to keep the glare off. And of course, you know I'm going to be stitching this up. There's the kitty. And it looks like my cat Pierre that I used to have. Very pretty. And it comes with chart, comes with fabric, and all the colors. Really pretty colors. So I got that. And then I got Cross Stitch Designs, Twillies of Stamford. And I believe this must be in the UK. And I can't wait to stitch this. I love how it goes like it's mirror in the water. So, so pretty. So, yeah. Can't wait to do that one. And then I got the Stitching Shed Cross Stitch Kit Cupcake Sampler. That is adorable. Adorable. And it comes with everything needed. Pretty colors. Look at those colors. Beautiful. And I got a Springtime Garden. This is a bonus sampler kit. So pretty. And then this came out, I guess it's Cross Stitch Crazy that it came out of. But it's a pattern for all these cats. Look at that. So at some point this will be cross-stitched as well. So pretty. And got two more things. Then I got Enjoy Cross Stitch at Christmas. This is issue 16, Christmas 2015. So I'm just going to see if there's anything like all these owls. Look at those. So cute. Let me see if there's anything else. Cards. Oh, look at that. That is adorable. Look at that. Cute. Let me see if I can get anything else. Nope. Okay, but that adorable. And then she sent me a calendar with bunnies. How adorable is that? Look at those bunnies. So cute. And this is Bee Bunny, September 2017 through December 2018. And like that. Let me see. Aren't those adorable? Love these. I am definitely going to be stitching some of these. They are just way too cute. Look at that one. That would be a cute decoration of some sort at Christmas. And there should be one more. Let me, maybe not. No. But cute. Very, very cute patterns. So thank you so much once again, Eloise. I do appreciate it. Lots of good stuff in here. It's going to keep me busy for quite some time. And I love the little stocking kit that you sent with the Elf and Santa. I am having so much fun stitching those. So thank you again. Anyway, that's all for this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure to comment. And I will see you guys on my next video. Take care.